Hey guys, it's David from Gigi's Fabric Shop, home of Juki and Junkies. And in today's video, we have a challenge that's going to be a little different than most of our videos. Me and Boki are going to be challenging who can thread the Juki TL machines the fastest. And then we're also going to try threading and bobbin winding blindfolded. So we've already competed many times with our speeds of who can thread it fastest.
With our vision.
But we've never done it blindfolded, so this will be fun for both of us to see what happens.
And everyone involved and around and recording and watching.
Yes, so there's probably going to be some background noises, probably some laughs. This video is not typically what we do, but we figured we can do some fun stuff too on this channel.
Yeah,
so
we need some comedic relief every now and then.
Yeah.
So,
so this is going to be really fun. I'm excited to get started. And
let's see who's going to win. Put your votes down below.
I'm definitely going to win. I already know. I already know. I thread these things on a daily basis.
We'll see. I have delicate, dainty hands, so we'll see.
All right, so we're going to start off with everybody taking a little vote. So we want you guys to go to the comment section below. Tell us who's going to win, Boki or David. And yeah, just comment that down below. Now we're going to ask some of our employees.
We're going to ask our in-house here because they know they're going to have their opinions of who's going to win. So Kylie, who do you think is going to be the best?
Kylie is the editor.
And Kylie's also his wife, so she's a little biased, okay?
I'm going to have to go with David.
Sweet.
That's
so
the safe answer. Emma, who do you think is going to win?
Oh,
okay, Boki. One vote, 1 and 1. Shannon?
Boki!
Woo! Carmen?
There's a cash prize.
Woo! 3, David.
How many you got?
I have 3. I have 3. David has 1.
Oh, yeah.
David's got 2.
No, he has 1.
I voted for myself.
Okay, David's going to get it.
Okay, 3 and 2.
You guys really think Boki's going to win? Oh, my gosh.
I showed him how to thread these machines.
Okay, so it's 2 to 3 in-house votes.
Yes.
So now we need you guys to vote down below because we need to win at least on the YouTube channel. And we're going to actually win too, right? So
all right, we'll see. We'll see.
I'm going to win. I'm quick. Me and Boki actually kind of did the speed test already. We went to a jail, right? A county jail, and we teach the inmates how to sew.
I think it's a really cool thing. They're all laughing at us, but we think it's a really cool thing. We go like every 3 months or 4 or 5 months, and we teach them how to sew.
But we trained the officers how to actually thread the machine, and we made them do a competition.
And it was really cute.
It was really fun.
They were very competitive, so then this is where this all happened.
And then we did it, and I think
it was really close because I had a needle thredder and you didn't, so it wasn't.
I think I won, but it was by a couple seconds. So now we're gonna do it on video. So let's get started.
Yeah.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your bobbins ready and your needles. The thread challenge is about to begin. The winner is going to be best out of 3. Are you ready?
Where are we starting with our hands?
Get set.
Off the table.
On your mark.
Can you just go?
Get set. Go.
Done! Woo! I won!
My needle threader didn't work on the
1
first
out of 3!
try.
1 out of 3!
I would have been done.
He had her by
I had him by like a whole 3
My
seconds.
thread got wrapped around the small screw right here, and I got hung up big time. But I got it. Check my threading. Did anybody check yours?
No, I cut mine already.
Oh, good idea.
My needle
Cut it
threader
before it
didn't
gets
work.
inspected.
My needle threader didn't work.
We need a final inspection after each one. All right, so David's got 1 out of 3.
Oh my god.
Is your hand shaking?
No. I'm trying to be cool, calm, and collective.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Done.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
Done.
That smoked me that time.
Ooh, wow.
Okay, so 1 to 1.
Yeah.
Oh, we're 1 to 1.
And look, thread, check me. I'm correct. Now I'm starting to shake. Now I'm like,
Are you really? I'm shaking.
Shake test. All right, here we go.
Here's the tiebreaker.
On 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
I won.
Oh my gosh, I was so nervous on that last one.
The second one scared me though.
Oh
I was slow.
my god, I was like, ah!
Thank you. Got it. That's why I said we need to do best out of 3. I would have won if I didn't win.
That's true.
That was
That
close.
was so funny.
Okay, so it's very close.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know. I was so bad right here. I was like, I
second one-
can't put it inside.
I was just waiting to hear the tingy noise because as soon as I heard that, I knew you were going to be past me. I was like, oh god.
I know. I was trying to listen to where you were. I was like, he's already down there. He said the needle threader already.
Okay,
so now we need blindfolds.
All right, somebody tell us to go. Hey, hold on. Are you touching the thread?
No. Yes.
No touching it yet.
Oh, well, my thread's really long.
Okay.
I
can't
Can
tell if
someone
she's...
trim it? Actually, I got it. Don't worry.
Here, just peek. I'll trim it. All right. We both have tails trimmed to the same length.
Okay, no peeing.
Okay, so we're finding the thread, right?
Yes. We both have about a 2-inch tail hanging off the thread guide.
Okay. Oh my god,
I
my
can't
eyes
see,
are
I promise.
watering.
My eyes are closed, literally.
I can't see either.
They're trapped shut. Oh man, that hurts.
On your mark, get set, go.
Oh my god, I can't literally feel anything.
I got thread. Flossing method is everything. I got the end of the thread.
How am I supposed to do this?
Oh, this is not a good idea, Boki. There's no way we're doing this.
Oh, I'm already in the first one.
You cannot. There's no way on earth. If you can thread your machine blindfolded, you win. I feel like somebody's helping her.
How?
Yeah, I can feel.
That's my hand.
Is Gigi over there?
She's just laughing at me.
He hasn't
This
even
one?
got it.
You can actually get it through the hole? Okay, I got that. There's no way
Did I
she's
do it?
already there.
I did it!
You're lying.
I swear. Pull the camera up.
There's no way you just thread that blindfolded.
Oh my god.
I'm not even through the first hole. I can barely even see.
Oh my gosh, my mascaras are running so
Did
bad.
she actually? She didn't thread it.
She did it.
He's like grabs my hand. He's like, "Yep, I feel it. It's my hand."
Oh my god.
I gotta see a replay to believe that.
Oh my gosh.
She cheated. I knew it.
Show him what you did.
I had
What'd
a
you do?
hole.
Oh my gosh.
No, do it for real. See if it's
We'll do
even
it for real.
possible.
There's no way we're doing that.
Okay, well, if you do it through the first 3 holes, I feel like that's fair.
Yes.
Afterwards, because
So you want to
it's
try
so
it one
hard.
time with?
Let's try it with the 3 holes.
Okay.
I'm going to try it because I bet I can beat you guys.
3. Wait, did you start?
No.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Wait, he already had it.
I'm waiting a couple seconds. Tell me when your hands
Okay,
are.
yeah.
Goodness gracious.
No, that's not it. So this right here.
You're both literally the same right now.
The first thread guide right here.
Where is that little guy?
I'm
She
done.
did it.
Hold on.
Oh, I got it through the needle. Yeah, you did it.
Oh, I didn't get through the needle. I got everything right though. Besides that.
So did I.
Did you get the pickup lever? Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, so you won that one.
Okay, that was good.
Wait, you're going to do this 3 times.
And I
No,
didn't
she
cheat.
won that one. We'll give that to her. I mean, I honestly think we should have started like that at the beginning.
Yeah, I
Because
agree.
that was much more manageable.
That was really hard.
And that was not cheating.
Okay, so the last one, the tiebreaker, because you won the first round, I won this round. The tiebreaker is the winding of the bobbin.
Okay. So we just tried doing the winding of the bobbin with winding a bobbin blindfolded, and it was impossible.
Yeah.
Anything that requires going through a hole is super hard while
Without
you're
someone like
blindfolded.
walking you through it, yeah.
Yeah. So we're just gonna do inserting the bobbin into the bobbin case and putting it in the hook.
I think we can handle that.
I think we can. There's no holes to pass through. It's pretty straightforward.
Yes.
Here we go. All right, you ready? Somebody tell us when.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Oh my gosh. Are we doing best out of 3?
Done.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm done too. I was a little after you. Let's check our work
I'm
though.
done.
I have a winner.
Let's check our work. Okay, I got it right. Yep, I got it
Clockwise,
right.
yeah.
All right.
And the winner is, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
She won the blindfold
I
challenge.
even won after I cheated. I obviously have the mascara to prove that, so.
We only did 1 shot on the blindfold challenges. I think we should have done 3, but
I don't know. I think really just beating a dead horse at this point, but it's okay.
We're just taking too much time out of the day. We got to get moving forward. You know?
This could go all day, honestly. We'd be like, best out of 10. It was a lot of fun, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely try to do this at home.
Yeah.
Test yourself.
Challenge you guys. Tell us your fastest time to thread it, just like we did. See if you can do it blindfolded, which...
Definitely don't sew blindfolded. We're not recommending that.
Very hard, very hard.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that.
And if you guys are ever interested in Juki products or notions, check out JukiJunkies.com. Yep. We love Juki products, as you can see. We're even trying to use them blindfolded.
That's how much we love them.
So
definitely check it out. We have all of our thread on the website too, notions, everything Juki that you could need, including possibly your next sewing machine. Yeah. Head over to JukiJunkies.com. Give us a call, email us, and we'll help you out. All right?
And join our Facebook group if you want to be a part of the Juki Junkies community, where you can learn tons about Juki products and sharing your experiences, whether they're good, bad, or just your sewing projects on Juki Junkies Facebook group.
It's a super great community, so check it out, you guys. We hope to see you soon. Make sure you subscribe to that channel for more helpful content, more goofy content, hopefully in the future, and we'll see you guys soon.
See you guys.